So recap. Hello everyone, welcome to this Mindy service. Um, this is the review of a customer iPhone model 12 Pro Max, and the problems were the battery and the release dropped. The health of the percentage will drop to 70% and need for replacement. So this after replacement of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let you know if you have the same problem that you want to replace the battery, or you have any problems, feel free to contact us at the Smile T service for the assistance anytime. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.